Good morning, everyone. It is Trina Craig here today, owner of Citrus Twist, and I'm sharing the December Life Crafted Hustle and Heart Kit with you. It reveals this Saturday night at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Really excited about this, and also little news flash, we're updating our pouches that our kits go in for the new year, so I'm super excited to share those with you as soon as we get those into our warehouse. But for now, we are on to the Hustle and Heart kit. I'm going to start by sharing some of the paper elements that come with the kit. We have some 3x4 cards that are designed by Caitlin Schaefer. One of the things I truly love about her cards is you can use them for so many different events in your life. They're just good, everyday, solid cards that you can use in all of your documenting, whether you're a scrapbooker or do pocket page scrapbooking. Hustle and Heart, the name of this month's kit. A few snowflakes for those of you who may get some during the month of December. Those are our 3x4 cards. We've got some 4x6 cards that are printed double-sided, again designed by Caitlin. Beautiful leafy frond card and snowflakes, and then places where you can document your December stories. We've got our cut apart that comes with the kit, tags that you can just cut out and use to your heart's delight. Oh, here are a couple more 3x4 cards that come in the kit, the night and the daytime. What's yours will find you, the other side of the story, and our 3x8 bookmark. Family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. And that is truly my family. And some nice bright colors there. We have our 6x8 paper that comes in the kit. You can use these for scrapbooking pages, in your traveler's notebooks, in your Life Crafted albums, in your 6x8 pages. You name it, you can use these papers for so many of your different projects. And I'm just kind of laying them out there so that you can see them. In addition to getting 3x4 cards, 4x6 cards, bookmark, printable tags, and 6x8 pages, we also offer our subscribers some free digital printables. We've got some Christmas themed cards that are free for our kit subscribers to download and print out. And also Caitlin Schaefer designs these beautiful printable cut aparts. You print this sheet out and cut them apart, and it gives you even more to play with your kit this month. And we have a beautiful alphabet in kind of a traditional turquoise color. I really, it's hard to describe it. It's mostly blue, but with the tiniest hint of green in it. These are going to be great for all the titles you'll be building on your pages this month. We've got these beautiful kind of mintish blue colored tiny word stickers. You can never get too many of those tiny word stickers. We have some chipboards. We actually have multiple chipboards. This kit, Hustle and Heart, is all about just all the energy you put into the end of the year, working towards the beginning of the new year, and being with family, being with your loved ones. There's a little bit of a twist on these with a little bit of a nod to the men in your life, which will make it fun. We also have this gorgeous sheet of chipboard, gold metallic chipboard stars that come in this next month's kit. So we have those, and our gorgeous ephemera. Here's the little kit title card that comes with the kit. Hustle and Heart, he calls me beautiful like it's my name. And you've got tags with the punch outs that are labeled numbered 1 through 3. You've got little scripty word love. You've got these cute little measuring tapes. Lots of little tags that you can use to grace your pages. And this adorable little bear that I hand drew just to put on your story pages this month. Anyways, I'm going to spread out this ephemera. Got a couple of mushrooms, all kinds of tags, a couple little snowflakes in case you have some snow coming, but mostly just good, clean fun to tell all your stories with this month while you are building all of your pages, which we can't wait to hear. Here's a picture of the back of the ephemera card. And I'm going to share some of the stamps this month. Our 2x3 stamp, our Traveler's Notebook stamp, very popular seller, as is our This Is Life stamp. This one, the title is Born for This, and it's got all kinds of elements on it that you can combine and use, make your own tags, make patterns on your pages. You're going to see how some of our design team use those. And last but not least, I am going to share some of the pages I made with this month's kit, and I actually use them. I combined it with the add-on kit for December. I combined them to create some foundation pages for my documented December pages. So this is just to give you an idea of some of the ways that I've used it. And I've left room to add photos as I go. I'm going to be usually using mostly 2x3 photos and layering some little photos over, and I also plan on using some 5x7 photos. So these are just a few of the ways that I have put the kits together to make these foundation pages. I am a quilter at heart from long ago. I love to put fabric and, of course, the vintage pieces in my pages. So documenting December is just going to be super, super easy for me this year as I work with some of these foundation pages that I've made, and I'll also be making some in real time. With that, that is our December Hustle and Heart kit that we can't wait to reveal to you this Saturday night, beginning at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Talk to you later. Bye.